I just found this car challenge channel, and not only this one, I discovered many similar channels, which is incredible. Why is it incredible? Because these types of 2D animated gaming videos can go viral within just a few days. The concept is simple, highly engaging, and easy for viewers of all ages to enjoy. The bright visuals, fun car challenges, oversized obstacles, and satisfying physics make people watch longer and keep coming back for more. What surprised me the most is that many of these channels are getting millions of views with relatively simple animation styles. The audience loves watching vehicles compete in increasingly difficult challenges, and the click-through rates on these videos are often very high because of their colorful and exciting thumbnails. I believe this niche has huge potential because it combines gaming, animation, entertainment, and viral challenge content into one format. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and enter the prompt. I know a lot of people struggle with prompts. Most of you don't know what to write or how to write it the right way. But don't worry, I've already solved that problem for you. I've created a ready-to-use, high-quality prompt, and your only job is simple. Just copy it from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. And before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you valuable content like this. Now here's the exciting part. When you paste this prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate an amazing result, fully structured, highly engaging, and perfectly designed for creating viral 2D animated car challenge videos. You know those videos where tiny cars, SUVs, and giant monster trucks compete against oversized obstacles, impossible ramps, giant hammers, rolling wheels, and crazy physics challenges? That's exactly the type of content this prompt helps you create. These car challenge videos are exploding right now and getting millions of views because they combine colorful visuals, satisfying physics, exciting obstacle courses, and endless creativity. But here's the truth most people ignore. If your prompt is weak, your results will be weak. You won't get good image prompts. You won't get high-quality animation ideas. You won't get engaging challenge concepts. And your content will look average. And average content does not go viral. That's why having the right prompt is everything. It's the difference between a car challenge video that gets ignored and one that gets hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. Instead of wasting hours trying to figure everything out yourself, use a proven prompt and focus on execution. Create bigger challenges, add crazier obstacles, experiment with different vehicles, and keep making each video more exciting than the last. Because in today's world, with the right AI tools, the right strategy, and the right prompt, going viral isn't luck, it's a system. Now go ahead, copy the prompt, try it yourself, and start creating your own viral car challenge videos today. Now many of you may be wondering how many images you can generate with Digen AI. The good news is that the process is extremely simple. Just copy the prompt, paste it into Digen AI, and start generating images within seconds. You can easily create 15 to 20 high-quality full HD images every day. The images are colorful, detailed, and perfect for creating viral 2D animated car challenge videos with giant obstacles, monster trucks, impossible ramps, and fun physics challenges. The best part is that you don't need any graphic design skills or previous experience. The AI handles most of the work for you. Simply enter the prompt, generate the images, and choose the ones you like best. This can save you hours of manual work and help you create content much faster. Instead of spending your time designing scenes from scratch, you can focus on making better videos and uploading consistently. Remember, consistency is one of the biggest keys to success on YouTube. The faster you create content, the more opportunities you have to reach new viewers and grow your channel. So don't overthink it. Just copy the prompt, paste it into Digen AI, generate your images, and start creating your own viral car challenge videos today. Generate AI videos for free now. Let's move on to the final step. At this stage, we will turn our images into animated videos completely free. Simply open Meta AI and go to the image to video generation feature. Upload your generated image, Then copy and paste the video prompt that ChatGPT created for that specific scene. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Yes, just a few seconds, not minutes. Meta AI will automatically create an amazing animated video from your image. The best part is that you don't need any credits or paid subscription to get started. Just upload the image, paste the prompt, and let the AI do the work for you. Repeat the same process for all scenes until every scene has its own animated video. If your video feels too short, Meta AI also provides an extend video option. Simply click Extend, and the AI will continue the animation while maintaining the same style, motion, and consistency. This is extremely useful for creating longer and smoother scenes. Another great feature is the Add Music option. After generating your video, you can easily add background music directly inside Meta AI to make your animations more engaging and entertaining. The right music can significantly improve viewer retention and make your car challenge videos feel more exciting and professional. Once all your scenes are generated, download them and combine everything together in your favorite video editor. Add your voiceover, arrange the scenes in order, include some sound effects if needed, and generate captions for better engagement. Within a short time, you'll have a complete animated YouTube video ready to upload. From finding a viral idea, generating image prompts with ChatGPT, creating images with Lumen AI, and turning them into animated videos with Meta AI, the entire workflow can be done using free AI tools. That's it, your complete AI animation pipeline is now ready. Follow these steps consistently, keep creating new car challenge ideas, and start building your own viral YouTube channel today.